Hi everyone, I hope you're doing good. So today I've come up with the same video that I was sharing before. It is about how to be content and happy with yourself. So I have mentioned 3 points in that video. So I want to mention another 3 points in this video, which is part 2. So how to be happy with yourself. So I hope you all remember the first three points. If you haven't watched that, then go ahead and watch that video. I have come up with other 3 points which personally encourage me to be happy and content. So the 3 points that I have shared with you all is in my part 1 video, or else I'll put the link down below. So that definitely helps you because it helped me. The 4th point that I'm going to share with you all is keep yourself busy. Involve yourself in doing something or the other. Just don't be idle. Because you know what, there is a saying by Charles Spurgeon which says, lazy man tempts devil to tempt him. So trust me, it happened to me also, where if I sit idle, I'll be getting occupied with so many different thoughts which are like not necessary, which puts me down, shatters me, and I have to go through so much to overcome those. So instead of that, do something productive. Keep yourself busy. Start reading books, start singing songs, start writing journals. Don't feel that you can't do it. Just go ahead. Do something good which can benefit others as well as you. Do something productive. You know what? This is the most important thing that we should keep in our minds, that can ultimately lead you to satisfaction and happiness. And it's nothing but forgiving someone, forgiving others. Someone caused harm to you. Just go and forgive. That's it. Don't keep it in your heart, because if you carry it forward, that keeps disturbing you. Don't get disturbed. Just forgive that, forget that. That's it. Because we are sinners and God forgave us with His love. Show that love and forgive others, those who did harm to you. Forgive your enemies. Forgive all those who did anything against you. Just don't keep anything in your heart. And that can lead you to happiness and satisfaction in your life. And the last and final important point is spending time with God, reading Bible and in prayer, which is nothing but the quiet time. Quiet time is nothing but absolutely the quiet time, the quietest part of your life, the quietest time in your life. Now, early in the morning at 5 o'clock, it's absolutely quiet. It's so beautiful. It doesn't mean that you have to choose only the quiet time in the whole day. Nothing like that. Absolutely no. There could be people around you. There could be people, whole family around you, and still you can do your quiet time. Do you know that? So definitely go ahead and spend time with God in prayer and reading Bible. That can give you peace of mind. That can give you lots of information which God wants to give you. And spending time in quiet time can lead you to happiness and satisfaction in your life. So all these 6 points are very important, and there are actually many more. So let's practice the 6 points, part 1 video and part 2 video. So all together the 6 points, let us practice and let us use it in our lives. It is hard sometimes, but yes, you can do it. You can expect things from God which will lead you to satisfaction and happiness. I'm happy to share all this with you. Start implementing this in your lives, and thank you so much. Bye.